Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to create subdomain and install WordPress. Select the domain, click on Manage, scroll down, click on Subdomain, type the title of the subdomain you want to create. Click on Create. In this way, you can create more subdomains also. So here you can see the subdomain is created. For installing WordPress, click on Hosting, select the domain, click on Manage, scroll down, click on Auto Installer, select WordPress, type the title of the website, your email, username, and the password. Click on Advanced, select Subdomain, Next, and Install. So you can check your website is installed on the subdomain too. Download the free WordPress quick guide for businesses. The link is in the description below. If you found the video helpful, smash the like button. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.